In today's video, we will be checking out how we can conquer the 90-90-90 rules. Okay, the 90-90-90 rules. Okay, so this is very important. In case you don't know about the 90-90-90 rules in trading, then probably this might be one of the reasons why you are losing your money all this while. If you understand it, then you will be able to guide yourself jealously, and of course you will be able to have successful trading strategy right from here. Okay, so this is very important, so stay tuned so that you get to understand everything about this, and you will be able to apply it to your trading skill so that you can start making some good profit for yourself at the end of your trading journey. Okay, so this is compulsory for everyone to know so that you will understand how it works. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can conquer the 90-90 rules. Okay, this is a special rule in trading, and if you don't know anything about it, then it might be one of the reasons for losing out whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is very important, so it is important you stay tuned and watch this video to the end. This 90-90-90 rules actually states that 90% of traders, okay, 90% of traders lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. Okay, that is something that is actually common with most newbies or new traders. Okay, in most cases 90% of traders lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. Okay, some even lose all within 90 days. Okay, so these are some of the things that are very common with most traders out there. Okay, based on research, this is a major thing that is actually common based on research, and the reason is you guys are not treating this opportunity as a business. Of course, there are opportunities to make lots of profit, lots of money right there on the platform, but you still need to treat it as a business. Okay, it is not a place just for you to go there and grab money. There is no free money anywhere. Okay, it is just the way you need to treat it, the way you treat your physical business. Okay, in your physical business, if you are not well guarded, then definitely you're also going to lose out on your money. Okay, so this is the same strategy you should apply here. Okay, so in order for you not to lose out on your money, then you need to understand all these and see how you can make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. Okay, so quickly now let's see how we can guide ourselves against these 90-90-90 rules. Okay, now let's check out the charts right here. Okay, here is a boom chart on 24-hour time frame, which happen to be a daily time frame. In most cases we trade at the wrong time. For instance, right here is a resistance zone. This is the best time for you to come in and sell, but most of the time we don't sell at this point. Okay, we only sell when we notice that, okay, this thing has been selling for a very long time, now let me come in. Okay, so when you come in around there, definitely you are selling at the wrong time. Okay, most people go into the market when most people go into the market to sell at the low and buy at the high, which is a wrong way of trading. When you sell at the low, then definitely you are selling at the wrong time. You can imagine you coming into the market to sell boom around here. Okay, placing your order around here with the mindset that this is 24-hour time frame. Okay, you've seen it right from here. It has been selling right from here for a very long time. You didn't go into the market just because you noticed that this has been selling, and the only trend that it has been going is that the market has been selling and selling and selling, and you too, you want to sell in order to quickly make some good profit for yourself. Sometimes it will work out for you, but it is a wrong way of trading. Okay, if you come in around here, definitely you will still benefit right from there to here. Okay, but in most cases, if you allow that to get into your system, then definitely you will get it wrong one day. Okay, this time around, let's say you decide to come in here. Of course, it sold for a while, but right from there it started buying, and of course you can see it. If you didn't close it at this point, then definitely you will end up being in loss again. By the time it will get to this, sorry. Okay, I'm trying to clone this. Okay, let me do it again. Let me just try to clone this. Okay guys, I've gotten it. By the time it will pull back and it now gets to this level, it will have taken about 90% of your capital. That is, if not all, most especially if you are using a wrong lot size for your capital. Okay, then definitely you will be losing out on most of your capital at this particular point. Okay, so that means you came in at the wrong time, and that is one major thing that we are used to in this part of the world. Okay, in most cases we don't see opportunity right from the beginning. Okay, we only jump into the opportunity when it is already obvious. Okay, when the stuff is already trending, we too we want to have a slice of it at that particular point, and we apply the same strategy whenever we are trading. Also, this trend actually started from this part of this, from here, from this resistance zone, but we didn't see it right from here because it's not very clear and we are not patient enough for us to wait for the right entry point. Okay, when it started selling, it sold till it got to this region, it pulled back. Okay, and it started selling again, and of course it is now getting to this part. We've noticed that it has been selling for days, and we will now be like, okay, it's now going to be like, okay, we've been losing money all this while. If I had been selling, then definitely I would have been in profit all this while. I would have made a lot of money all this while. So you now decide to sell at this point, which is the wrong time for you to sell. It's now sold for a while, you will be happy, and of course right from here, after getting to the support zone, it started pulling back. Okay, you're still holding on, and of course before you know it, it has gone above your entry point, and of course will be putting you in a lot of loss at that particular point, if not wiping off your account. Okay, so what am I trying to say? We go into the market at the wrong time. Okay, we go into the market at the wrong time. We only follow the trend because the market has been going down in that direction for a very long time. Then we now decide to jump into it without considering if it is getting to the next support zone or resistance zone at that particular point. Okay, if it has been selling and it is now getting to the next support zone, then definitely it is very risky for you to jump into it. Okay, if you jump into it, then you are most likely to lose your capital right from there. So all these are very, very important. Once you understand all these, then definitely you will be able to get it right at the end of the day. So guys, that is how it works. So you need to know the right time to go into the market. Okay, instead of selling at the low, it is better you sell at the high. Okay, when the market is high like this, then you sell at that particular point, and when the market is low, you buy at that particular point. Okay, that is when you make a lot of profit right from there. Whichever time frame you are using, then you should understand the strategy. That is the first rule. Once you understand that you need to sell at the high and buy at the low, then you will always get it right. That is why you need to understand your trend. If you have been noticing my videos, in my videos I've always been making mention of the trend. When you understand the trend strategy, trend trading strategy, then you will be able to get it right. The same thing is applicable to the support and resistance zone. I've always been hammering on this. Once you understand this, then you will know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. Okay, so you need to understand all this in order for you to have a successful trading journey. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course, if you are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.